In this video, I'll show you how to create an email alias in Protonmail in 2026. First, sign into your Protonmail account and click the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, go to All Settings and open the Identity and Addresses section. Here, you'll find the options for managing your email addresses and aliases. After that, click Add Address or Add Alias, depending on your account type and plan. Enter the alias you want to create and follow the prompts to complete the setup. Now, confirm the new alias and save your changes. Once the setup is complete, emails sent to that alias will be delivered to your Protonmail inbox. Next, test the alias by sending a message to it from another email account. Verify that the message arrives correctly in your inbox. Finally, use your new alias whenever you want an additional email address without creating a separate Protonmail account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an email alias in Protonmail in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.